start in first position, opening the race, but I take calm on my speed, and after kilometer 50, Cuba catch me, and then we are going together on the stage. Only on the last 30 kilometers I pass in front and I push a little bit, but it's good. I finish second. Real Cuba, tomorrow is the last day, and then we have to take care for not take one crash and to finish and win this rally.
Okay, today I make a really big mistake. After kilometer 40, I lost way, and after I try catch the high point, but I have a really big difficulty to find. After I find high point, I continue, but my fuel is over, and after I wait for the other rider help me. And today I lost everything because I'm second in World Championship normally and second in the race, and now it's over, this dream. But